5 important exercises for heart health. One of the major keys to promoting good heart health is by being physically active. Exercise is a surefire way of strengthening your heart muscle. More than that, it helps manage your weight and wards off heart-related diseases. Also, it's important to keep in mind that different types of exercise are crucial in providing overall fitness. For starters, aerobic exercise and resistance training are the most important for heart health. Examples of these are walking, which is aerobic, and weight training, which is resistance training, which we will be talking about further next. So, keep watching. Number 1. Walking. Seems a little too easy. Nah, but walking has special powers. And by that, we mean it's an outstanding way to strengthen your heart. Walking does that, but the benefits are more powerful if you do speed walking. Walking fast will increase your heart rate and is easy on your joints. You can do it anywhere, anytime too. You just need a pair of solid shoes. During your lunch break, try squeezing in a short walk and a longer one on the weekend. Number 2. Interval training. Interval training is when you alternate between short bursts of high-intensity exercise with longer periods of active recovery. For instance, perform a 1-minute run followed by a 3-minute walk, then repeat. Increasing and decreasing your heart rate helps burn calories and boosts the function of your blood vessels. Aside from that, it also lets you perform the same amount of exercise in less time. Number 3. Cycling. The great thing about cycling is that it's a healthy, low-impact exercise that can be easily enjoyed by people of all ages. Low impact means it causes less strain and injuries than most forms of exercise. According to studies, cycling can reduce the risk of heart disease. It engages your large muscles in your legs, helping elevate your heart rate. Overall, cycling improves your cardiovascular fitness. Oh, and it can even boost your mental health. Number 4. Yoga. Yoga is a mind-body activity that moves your body by performing a series of body poses and breathing exercises. It might seem like yoga won't do much, but it's actually great for your heart health. That's because certain yoga types can get your heart rate up like crazy, all the while still providing calm that aids in lowering your blood pressure. Pretty cool, isn't it? Number 5. Weight training. Newer research shows that weight training reduces the risk of diabetes, stroke, and heart disease. In the general sense, building the other muscles in your body contributes to heart health. That's because weight training helps build muscle mass, allowing better blood circulation. In turn, it leads to less pressure on your arteries, thus reducing the chances of heart-related problems. How much should you exercise and how often? Do 30 minutes a day for 5 days in a week of moderate intensity activity like brisk walking. From there, work your way up so you can perform longer and more challenging workouts. What are your thoughts about this video? Care to share them with us? Feel free to write your comment below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.